On today's episode of LiveLeanTV, I'm sharing a 6-minute muscle-building chicken and rice recipe for busy men who don't like to cook. Before I show you how quick and easy this step-by-step recipe is, let's head to the grocery store and pick up the pre-cooked ingredients. So pre-cooked is important because, let's be real, whether you're busy taking the kids to football practice, fitting in your workouts, or spending time with friends, one thing is for sure. You are busy. I'm busy. We're all busy. That's just the world we live in today, so we must accept it. Does this busy lifestyle give you a free pass to a lifetime of drive-thru breakfasts, lunches, and dinners? Of course not. If you're watching this, you are a member of the LiveLean Nation, and we only rock with fast food during our well-earned cheat meals. During the rest of the week, we choose to make healthier food decisions that are better for our long-term health. Now, one of the most important ways to improve our health is via the foods we feed our body. However, this doesn't mean we need to be perfect 100% of the time. It just means we're focused on making daily progress towards achieving our health and wellness goals. So on LiveLeanTV, I'm always sharing creative ways to add more protein to your diet. This usually includes purchasing and cooking your meats in bulk. That way you can have quick access to good quality protein sources within minutes. Then you can simply store the leftovers in containers and serve it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner with a side salad. Done. Or you can purchase pre-cooked meats. So it's great to see more healthy and convenient pre-packaged, high-protein foods becoming available. For example, I found this grilled and ready, fully cooked oven-roasted diced chicken breast from Tyson at my local grocery store. This is perfect for people who don't like to cook, don't know how to cook, or simply don't have the time to cook. So for example, this is the option that I took earlier today. I had a crazy day of filming and I was feeling hangry. So when I got home, I almost lost it when my fridge was void of all things protein related. And my first instinct was to call it my weekly cheat meal and head out for something quick and dirty. Then, as I was driving, it all of a sudden hit me. I just remembered that Jessica and I had a night out planned for Saturday. So this quickly ended my plans for a quick cheat meal. Therefore, I knew I still needed something quick and healthy. So as I drove past all the fast food restaurants, I decided to stop at my local grocery store to find a quick and ready to eat protein source. I quickly went to the refrigerator aisle to see what pre-cooked protein sources I could find. Luckily, I found this grilled and ready, fully cooked, oven roasted diced chicken breast from Tyson. As my stomach yelled at me again, I quickly put the pre-cooked chicken in my shopping cart, then threw in a bag of pre-made salad and a frozen bag of pre-cooked rice, cauliflower, and sweet potato. I knew I had some olive oil and balsamic vinegar at home for the salad dressing, as well as some almonds, so the salad was good to go. As my stomach was yelling, "Feed me," I rushed to the register to check out. And once I arrived home, within 6 minutes flat, I had a bowl of this healthy chicken and rice salad ready for me to devour. Gains! So here's the 6-minute healthy chicken and rice recipe. Prep time takes 1 minute, cook time only takes 5 minutes, and it makes 2 servings. Here are the ingredients: 12 ounces of pre-cooked chicken breast, 6 ounces of pre-cooked sweet potato and cauliflower rice, 2 handfuls of pre-made salad mix, 2 tablespoons of almonds, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Since the chicken is already fully cooked, simply add 12 ounces of the pre-cooked chicken breast to a heated pan over medium-high heat for 5 minutes to reheat the chicken. At the same time, add 6 ounces of the pre-cooked rice, cauliflower, and sweet potato to the same pan as the chicken and reheat for 5 minutes. While the chicken and rice is being reheated, add 2 handfuls of the pre-made salad mix to a cutting board and chop it up into small bite-sized pieces. Add the chopped salad mix to the bowls. For the salad dressing, simply mix 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder in a bowl, then mix together. After the 5 minutes is up, remove the chicken and rice from the heat, then add it on top of the salad. And top each salad with 1 tablespoon of almonds. Top each bowl with the salad dressing. You are all done, and all that is left is to take a bite and yell out, "Damn, that's good!" Nutrition facts per serving: calories 455, protein 42 grams, carbohydrates 19 grams, and fat 24 grams. And in typical fashion, after eating this satiating and delicious 6-minute chicken and rice recipe, the thoughts of "I'm so glad I didn't get pizza" flooded my mind. This muscle building chicken and rice recipe took 6 minutes from start to finish, and just look at all the leftover chicken. Just remember guys, there are healthier and convenient choices out there that are affordable. Keep this 6-minute muscle building chicken and rice recipe top of mind next time you are hangry. And if you enjoyed this quick and simple recipe, do me a favor and tap the like button below to show your support for this channel. And while you're down there, tap the subscribe button with notifications turned on to join the Live Lean Nation and start living lean with us 365 days a year. Thanks for watching, and keep living lean.